So, palabas na tayo ng trabaho mga lods, no? Maaga tayong umuwi ngayon. Nagpaalam tayo kasi nga mayroong appointment yung anak ko sa dentist. Kaya kailangan maaga puntahan. Yung appointment niya kasi 4:15 ng hapon. Kaya pupuntahan natin yun. Alamin natin mamaya kung magkano yung bayad sa magpa-brace dito sa Canada. Bali, Invisalign lang tawag dun. Sabi ng anak ko, Invisalign, yung ilalagay sa ngipin. Hindi siya, parang brace din. Pero Invisalign tawag dun. So, mamaya alamin natin kung magkano. Ganda tong kumpanya namin mga lods kasi may sariling parking. Kaya ayos. Safe yung sasakyan nyo. Alright, tapos na tayo. So pupuntahan muna natin yung part-time natin. Kasi itong part-time hindi siya pwedeng hindi puntahan, kaya talagang pupuntahan talaga siya mga lods. So hanggang ngayon dito sa Vancouver hindi pa rin nag-snow, pero sa ibang province talagang sobrang kapal ng snow, pero dito wala. Ayun nga, nagwa-warm pa dito 5 degree, 6 degree. Napakaganda ng weather talaga dito sa Vancouver. Yan, ganda ng panahon ngayon dito. Walang ulan, hindi masyadong malamig. Napakaganda. So, nandito pala tayo sa may State Street mga lods, no? Tatrabaho. Kaya napakadami ng dito, homeless. Mamadali ako mga lods kasi nga kailangan kong magbihis pa pagdating dito sa bahay. Ayan ang anak ko. Basa yung lupa. Hindi wala namang ulan.
Wala.
Dahil sa fog yan.
Fog?
Fog yun.
Kanina walang ulan, di ba? Kanina walang ulan.
Oo. Hindi na mag-i-snow kasi nga mainit na
Baka January.
Malabo na.
Huh?
Malabo na kasi nag-warm up na siya So anong papakita doon sa kuan? Ano yung papakita sa dentist?
Sasabihan lang na na may appointment ako. Altea.
So ikaw lang magsabi. Hindi Altea lang.
Altea. Malamang.
Ano bang tawag doon lalagay mo sa skin mo? Brace, anong tawag?
Invisalign. Invisible braces.
Ayun ba yan?
Yeah. Pero I think ngayon lang. Like sukat siguro.
So wala dong babayaran ngayon.
Oo, sabi lang ni mama, pumunta lang doon kasi may appointment lang.
Traffic masyado dyan.
Ilang minutes na lang pa? Punta doon.
20.
20.
Maaga pa. 4:15 di ba?
4:15 yung appointment namin. Antok ka?
Hindi pumayag yung bus ko. Paalam ko uwi ako maaga.
Under time?
Oo, payag naman sila.
Anong rason mo?
Ano, may appointment sa dentist.
Tomorrow din under time ka.
Hindi ko lang alam bukas.
Sa New Year.
Siguro, mayroon ko. So, liliko tayo dun sa may
41st?
33.
33.
Dito tayo dumaan sa may Main Street. So, nandito na kami guys, no? Bali, doon lang kami nagpark sa may bandang likod.
It's kinda cold.
Kasi nga, dito sa bandang harap, wala sang parking.
Highway siya, guys.
So, ano ba to? Anong street?
And Avenue.
10th Avenue kami, mga lods. Ito yung lugar.
May pa nag-call ko ba?
Ha?
Hindi eh. May pa nag-call ko.
Ito no, ayos lang naman.
Nipis man kanya kung gusto na.
O, suotan eh, oh.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang.
So, pasok na kami mga lods. Alright. So, ito yung itsura ng dentist. Ano to? Yan.
Sasabat dental.
Ano pangalan ng ano?
Sasamat.
Ano?
Sasamat.
Sasamat dental clinic. So, naghihintay pa kami mga lods, no? Siyempre, waiting pa sa kung kalong oras yung ano. Alas 4 pa kasi yung ano natin. 4:15 pa kasi yung ano namin, yung appointment dito. Kaya antay-antay muna kami. Medyo napaaga kami. Kasi nga wala namang traffic. So, I guess okay din. Diba? Altea. Can I join?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I take a video? It's okay?
Just don't have.
Alright.
Yeah, you can sit over there.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
What is this? So, naka-ready na yung anak ko.
Fold your left.
So, nandun na yung anak ko mga lods. Bali, Nakaupo lang ako dito sa gilid. Ayan. So, naka-ready na. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin sa anak ko. Baka linisan yung ngipin o ano. Parang ganito yung nilalagay, oh. Invisalign. Baka ito na yung nilalagay, hindi. Ha? Ganyan daw. Paglingkod lang pag ano. Ano lang. Taas na, magilong eh. Sakto kaya ng ano. Nood ko lang ng TV, may TV dun sa ano, ayan o. Ayan, may TV dito sa, pwede siyang manood ng kuhan. Ayos ah. So ito yung ngipin ng anak ko mga lods. Ayan. Tatanggalin yata itong nasa magkabilang magkabilang gilid. So ganyan dito mga lods, no? Hindi rin basta-basta yung ganyan. Masyadong ano kasi, ngiwi yung ano niya. Tabingi yung mga ngipin ng anak ko kaya lagyan ng Invisalign. Exactly right? Okay.
Let's say, for example, she had, what should I call her actually, this name?
Althea.
Jasmine or Thea?
Yeah. Althea Jasmine.
Jasmine, which one you prefer?
Althea.
Thea?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, because of the crowding so severe, so we need to treatment plan to do extraction to remove several premolar teeth.
Like how many?
Four.
Four. Oh yeah.
And then the plan is that to remove them. And
Oh,
then
yeah.
this one can come here, lining up,
Yeah.
lining up.
So
So this is before. This is after.
two each of side.
Two upper,
Yeah.
two lower.
Oh yeah.
We
Alright.
call it bicuspid or premolar. And don't think so. Please don't look at this and think it's going to be look like this. This is called overcorrection.
Oh yeah.
Correction meaning the final result
Oh yeah.
will be much better than this. But we
Exactly.
plan to push, intrude, make it look like this. But that's the plan.
Oh yeah. It looks good. Yeah.
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 So the final result will be very good.
Like how many months it will be like this? Like you know.
If you take a look,
Oh yeah.
1, 10, 20, 30, 37,
Alright. Okay.
each one you will be wearing
Around 10
about 10 days. That will be 1 year. But you can do a little faster, like 8 days, 7 days to change. I have a
Oh exactly.
yeah. So every 8 to 10 days, sometimes I feel that I can do it no shorter than 7 days. But you can do a longer time, but no necessary. It's like if you do 2 weeks, that will be 2 years of longer time. It's not necessary. So every 10 days, 8 to 10 days, change the next one. With number, you're gonna have a whole box with so many,
Oh yeah.
and then she's going to change by herself. We're gonna instruct her,
Oh,
teach
okay.
her how to do that.
Alright.
From the back piece to the front piece.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
And then
thank you.
always be in touch, contact with the
Yeah.
office, front desk.
Yeah.
Call.
Whatever.
me.
Whatever. Any problem, like you
If
know.
you have a problem, or just question.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, of course. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Alright. So, ito yung ngipin ng anak ko mga lods. So, magiging ganyan siya after how many months. So, update ko na lang kayo kapag magiging ganyan na yung ngipin ng anak ko. It seemed like a plastic, right?
Yeah. This one is a lot thinner than the actual liners because this one is just for putting those like little buttons on.
Yeah.
Just yank it off.
Parang plastic lang eh.
And the bottom is the same thing. You just go from the back and you just take it out. Want to try? This is the bottom. Just try putting it in the
Alright.
bottom.
Oh yeah.
Good. And then the top.
Once it's clicked, it's already locked, right?
Yeah. Oh, make sure it's like at the right spot. So your front teeth, it's like
You should put a line on your teeth, right?
Perfect.
Just push it.
Good.
Yeah.
The top is going to be a little difficult because a lot of your teeth are a little crooked. So just like make sure they're aligned with the back. Yeah, perfect. And then make sure to push it all the way in. Good. Perfect. Let me see. Good. Good. And then try taking it out. That's the difficult part. Try taking it out.
Do you have chewing for her to chew?
Oh, not yet. I'll grab a little. From the back. It's
From the
easier
back,
from the back.
From the back teeth.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah,
Alright.
good. And then try the top.
From the very back, from the last tooth. Usually from the from
Yeah, the
from
very,
the
very
tongue
back.
side. The reason why is because outside there is some button like attachment. Can I try?
So like try reaching
Yeah.
from inside.
Yeah. So if,
Here, you
if
try
I
again.
if I push, it's gonna be like this,
All right.
and then if I push, it's gonna be like this. You want to remove from the outside, a little difficult, and then go inside here. Can you open a little more? Yeah, and then see, I push it, it's very simple. I go push it,
Yeah.
very simple. And then you remove it. Here.
It's not possible that the Invisalign will broken or something.
No,
It cannot.
No,
Okay.
yeah.
it rarely breaks.
Okay.
Pretty strong.
It's pretty strong.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, probably like tomorrow she'll get really good at it.
All right. Okay.
Taking it on and off.
Yeah. Watch your cell phone. Sometimes people have the cell phone drop.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna sit up. Can I sit up? Can I sit up?
Yeah.
So
And then here's the bottom.
10.
All right.
This is March 10.
All right.
When you have the March 10, you have this before this. So before April 10th, you will come to see, okay, we see extraction.
Okay.
So I need
In the port. Yeah.
yeah. So I need Arthur, Jasmine, come to the office. Need a 3 unit time to do
April. Which date is it?
three molar extraction.
All right.
3 molars extraction. Okay. And then we have the treatment plan there. 3 unit time. So you can book between from March 10.
Oh yeah.
I
Makes sense.
will prefer to have a March 20. Oh no, this is like a, sorry, I made a mistake. This is 20, and then this will be January 30, because everyone is 10 days. I made a mistake. And then this will be March 10. Yeah, sorry. You
Yeah,
understand?
you can put in the top, on the top.
Yeah.
March 10, right?
No, February 10.
February 10.
Yeah. February 10.
All right. All right.
So before February 10th, after January 30, January
Yeah.
30
All right.
between, we're gonna have the teeth extraction to remove.
Okay.
Oh, before.
Yeah. You can, if you don't like, you can choose to remove 2 first.
Exactly,
Up
right?
to-
Yeah,
up to you.
Because it's not easy. It's
But you just don't put the next one. And then you book a next appointment after a couple of weeks, like a 1 week, to remove
all right.
another.
Yeah,
tooth.
that is a good
Up to
idea.
you.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes people feel that.
So that which date is that? The first one?
Yeah, like 10 days later.
10 days later.
January 10th, you're gonna put this one.
Okay.
After
Yes, you change it.
All right. Okay.
Here, take it out. Put
Okay.
it on. This one, you can drop it if you want, but you can keep for a couple of days. Why? Just in case you lost it.
Okay.
It happens.
All right. If we have any problem, then we can visit her as well.
Yeah, always
Right away, right?
message them.
Okay. Thank you so
you
much.
can book appointment for
On February.
yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can say okay, January 10. Okay, you can book appointment like a February about 5. February 5.
All right.
Are you February 5 to do extraction?
Okay.
Do you have other questions for how to use it? Yeah, there is a retainer. You know that already? So there is a retainer inside, just in case. Sometimes I do put the liner, the shape, take it out in my pocket or in the tissue,
Oh, yeah.
go to the restaurant.
Yeah, yeah,
and
exactly.
In case I just,
That's a problem, right?
you need to go to the garbage bin.
Exactly.
throw it. But if you put that inside, it's going to be much better.
Safe. Yeah, it's safe.
And some people buy some ultrasonic vibration cleaning the machine. That is even
It's
better.
all the same.
Oh, they're the same.
All right.
So
Okay.
you can always track here. There is actually numbers for each one. Not only here, but also here there is actually numbers.
Okay.
And also here there is your name and numbers from 1 to 15.
All right. Copy, Doc.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
And
Doc.
then, the other same numbers. So you have 3 box, 1, 2, 3, and there are numbers are there.
All right.
All right.
So, kakatapos lang namin guys, no? Nandito pala to sa may 10th Avenue. Itong ano na to? Sa Samat Dental. Actually, parang sa Chinese ya. Invisalign provider. So, tapos na kami yung mga loads, no? Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo kung magkano yung binayad namin dito at paano ang proseso. So, nandito na tayo sa bahay mga loads, no? Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Invisalign na ito yun mga lods, Invisalign. Kumbaga ano siya, anong tawag doon na?
Invisible braces or aligners.
Invisible braces siya mga lods. Kumbaga ito yung makabagong braces ngayon. Tinatawag nilang Invisalign. Yan Invisalign. So, itong mga box na to, kasi papalitan sa every 10 days yung Invisalign na ilalagay sa ngipin para sa invisible braces. So, ang laman nito is Invisalign. So, papalitan sa every 10 days sa ngipin mo para siyempre pag mandumihan na siya o siguro mag-yellowish or kung ano mangyayari doon sa
Like every tray, iba-iba yung position sa plastic.
So, ito yon, tapos ito yung panglinis niya. Yan. Tapos ito yung lagayan niya kasi pwede siyang tanggalin removable siya. Pag kumakain ka, pwede siyang tanggalin. Tapos ibalik mo lang. Ito yung niya, box niya. So, 3 box yung binigay ng ng doktor. Pero babalik pa kami doon para sa niya,
Extraction.
para sa pagbunot ng 4 na ngipin niya kasi may 4 na ngipin siyang bubunutin kaya kailangan namin bumalik doon. February pa di ba?
February 1 and 4.
So ang ginastos pala namin dito mga lods sa Invisalign na to kasi nga may insurance kami ni Mrs. Yung insurance ko is Sun Life, kay Mrs. naman is ano kayo mama mo? Clock.
bata yun sa kanila.
Clock, Green Shield, no? Yung insurance niya, Clock, no, di ba?
Parang.
Green Shield. So, ang halaga ng Invisalign mga lods, kung magpapakabit kayo, is worth $6,500 Canadian dollar dito sa Canada. So, ang binayaran lang namin is $2,000 lang kasi nga meron kaming insurance si Mrs. Ang insurance si Mrs. is $3,000 covered sa kanya, $3,000. Sa akin naman, $1,500 lang. So, bali, 2,000 na lang yung ano namin, yung balance namin doon. So, pwede siya hindi bayaran ng buo, installment plan siya. So, ganyan ang benepisyo dito sa Canada mga lods, no? Kasi nga, nakaka-afford kami sa mga ganitong bagay. Sabi ng anak ko, napakamahal daw to sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko alam kung magkano sa Pilipinas tong ganito.
100 to 200.
Pumapatak yata ng 100 to 200,000 sa Pilipinas. You know? So, hindi natin afford to sa Pilipinas pag sa Pilipinas tayo magpapagawa ng ganito. So, kaya nakaka-afford kami dahil sa insurance.
Wow.
So,
Thanks, insurance.
so yun lang mga lods, no? Yun lang vlog natin itong araw na to. Ha?
YouTube na?
Oo. So, yun lang vlog natin itong araw na to. Tungkol dito sa Invisalign na to para ma-share din namin sa inyo kung meron kayong mga yung anak na gusto magpalagay ng Invisalign, at least meron na kayong idea. So, ang ginastos namin is $6,500 Canadian dollar. So, yun lang mga lods, no? Maraming salamat at God bless everyone. Bye for now.